a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Welcome back to day 11 of our Cora Crea crafts unboxing and creating. If this is your first time here, this is a series where I have received an advent box from Cora Crea Crafts from my family for my birthday, and I am opening a box each day and attempting to create something for a junk journal with whatever's inside the package. So let's get on to opening day 11. This is a pretty big package. Let's see what this one is. I think this is the biggest one we've gotten so far. Again, if this is your first time here, I will have a link in the description box where you can go back to my playlist where I have been unboxing all these from day 1, and we're now on day 11. And I will have videos all the way until the 24th of December. So I'd love it if you'd hit the subscription button and the notification bell to be notified anytime I put up any new content. So let's see what's inside day 11. And I am trying to preserve the paper here. Ooh, this is a pretty box. Let's see. Ancient Arcana Notebook. Okay, I'm going to grab something to get this plastic off so that hopefully we can see this without the glare. This is a notebook, so I'm not sure I'm going to be able to actually create anything with this, but this might be what I end up with the final video for the series. I am planning on doing a journal with everything that I've gotten in there. So let's see if this will work. Oh, this is beautiful. Or I could possibly create with the box. That's an idea too. So let me think about that. This box is beautiful. On the back of the box it says antique style notebook featuring a full book-like cover and manuscript pages in an A5 size. Okay, this is beautiful. Got more plastic wrap. Let's get this off. Love this gold foiling. And the arch type design. This actually reminds me of the windows for the chapel where my daughter was married a month ago. And this says Ancient Arcana. Not only is it gold foiling, it's actually got some like debossed trim and pattern in there. Same on the front. Alright, let's see what we've got inside. Got a little nameplate section. Okay, this is great. Okay, all the pages do seem to be blank, so this might be a great idea journal. And to kick that off, I might take all the things that I'm using to create each day and start out this idea journal and put it inside this book. This is beautiful. It does have gold edging on the pages. I think that's probably what I'm going to do. So I'm going to save this. Unless I change my mind, I'm going to come back at the end of this series and put all the things that I've created inside this journal so you can kind of see how to build a journal inside a pre-done book. So I'm going to set this aside. And let's think about this a minute. This is a little box that the journal came in, and I might be able to create something. I have, if you've seen a couple of these videos in the series, some of the items were a little hard to create with that item because they are something like the notebook. The other thing were the binder clips. So I used the packing material, and I think I'm going to turn the video off here, do a little thinking, come back, and possibly create with the packing material. So I'll be back. Okay, I think I've changed my mind here. I think I'm going to save that notebook for a different project. And in an attempt to still create every day with what I got in my package, I am going to create something with this box. So I'm going to add some music here and we'll see what we can come up with. Day 11 gave me another little challenge since I did get this beautiful bound book as my Day 11 Advent item. And I wanted to save that. I've got some ideas of what I might want to use this for, so I wanted to keep that for something separate. So I took the package material, the actual box that came in, and created a cover for what I'm going to create the journal that I will do at the end of this series. I will put all my items that I have made. I'll make pages that'll go in this cover, and I'll put all those journal items in that, and then I can have a keepsake of everything that was in the Advent calendar. So this gave me the perfect opportunity to go ahead and create my cover for that. I took the box, took it apart. You can see in the video. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them for you. I cut off the edges of the box. I took the lid and the bottom of the box and taped them together with masking tape, and then took a piece of chipboard, took a thin piece of chipboard and glued that on top of that masking tape seam so that it would reinforce that. And then I took scrapbook paper that I had from a very old kit. I think this was Die Cuts with a View kit. I think it was called Once Upon a Time. I took some of that paper and cut out the backing pages for the inside of the cover, and then I took a piece of the actual package that the book came in and created my front cover of the journal, and then also some of that Die Cuts with a View scrapbook paper for my back spine. And then I went around all the edges with the Rub and Buff gold gilding wax, and then added my number 11 sticker there, so I would know that on day 11 I created this cover since I got the book for that. So again, I hope y'all are enjoying this series. I am having a lot of fun with it. It is teaching me to think out of the box. It is teaching me to be a little more spontaneous at grabbing supplies and grabbing them a little faster than I normally would and trying not to overthink things. I'd love it if you hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you'll be notified the next time I put up any new content. And in the spirit of the holidays here in the attic, I leave you with my beverage choice of the day. I have a Colombian dark roast that came in my coffee advent. And let's open our chocolate box and see what's inside today for day 11. Day 11 looks like dark chocolate. It's the raspberry cream. So I'm going to sit back, enjoy my chocolate. I hope everybody is having a wonderful holiday season, and until I see you again here in the attic, y'all take care.